Abbott Shadow is a blockchain platform that aims at bringing wealth to the mass. ABST token is a cryptocurrency for accessible, secure lifestyle. There are major uses of ABST. The first one is you can say the main use of this token. ABST is used for flawless trading to gain profit. It will be used in e-commerce portal as well, and it also has the lending platform. Basically, the lending platform is basically, you can say, the main referral program. In the referral program for expand the project and also the community. The last one thing is the wallet of Abbott Shadow. Basically, Abbott Shadow Wallet API will develop major crypto assets exchanger, and wallet services will able to use Abbott Shadow widget on their site. Here you can also see basically they already hit so many exchanges and they are focusing on some big exchanges very soon. So today we are going to discuss each and everything regarding the Abbott Shadow and also about the Global Trust Fund. Before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of our video. First of all, as I told you each and everything regarding the ABST. Here you can see ABST aims to build a virtual reality ecosystem based on blockchain technology to connect virtual reality content creators and users. VR and AR is recognized as the next main generation general purpose computing platform. ABST will assume the important task of promoting the virtual reality industries, ecological development, and accelerate the advent of VR AR era. This is the basic thing regarding the Abbott Shadow. Here you can see the entire supply of this token is 500 million and the decimal is 8 and the symbol is ABST. Here you can also find something very important, and that is basically the allocation of this token. Here you already basically at this time you are watching one thing. They already gave only ICO 25%. Here you can see the dev for the team only 20%. Here you can also see future dev only 20%. Staking rewards is equal to 15%, and here you can see legal and advisory, airdrop, and promotional rewards. So you can find each and everything here by basically checking all the allocation. Here comes the entire team of this one project, because at this time here you can see each and everything regarding the team, and you can ask whatever you want to ask directly from the team by just messaging them on the LinkedIn or directly on their social platform. They are going to answer each and every question of yours. Here you can also see the basic thing right now. The app's mobile app is basically live. Here you can basically see this thing that at this time you have the chance to hold your ABST token in your personal mobile wallet. So that is such a great thing regarding ABST platform. Now the next thing which I am going to share with you is entirely different, but at some parts and some views basically both things are similar. So I'm going to share right now regarding, you can say, each and everything regarding the Global Trust Fund. First of all, here you can see what is Global Trust Fund all about, and it is basically the lending platform which I am going to share with you today of ABST. How you can basically only investing $100, you are going to get number of money through this platform Global Trust Fund, and with the help of Abbott Shadow. First of all, what you have to do, you just have to click on join us option. Then you have the option like this. You just have to click on don't have sponsor. Then you have to enter your name, your email address, your password, your BTC address, your MyEther wallet or Ethereum address. Then you have to confirm of your password, and from here you just have to click and you can basically enter the country code of your country, and then you can enter your mobile number, then sign up. Then they are going to send you an email. You just have to confirm that one email, and then easily you can log in on the main platform of globaltrustfund.org. It is entirely easy for you. After basically signing up, and then you have to confirm your email, and then you can easily log in on the main platform of Global Trust Fund. Here I will show you something very important, that is the lending platform. How you can deposit the funds over here, how you can purchase the main thing, the main course or the main part of this one. First of all, you are going to click on the lending platform, and here you have at this time you can see the main packages of them. USD $100 here. Basically, if you are going to buy this one, you have to pay them USD $100, and the duration is 90 days. So it is entirely easy for you. How you can purchase it, I will tell you that one. And the daily profit is 1.1%. that is entirely a good one. It is basically a starter system, and I always recommend one thing, that if you are going to start anything, you must have to start it with the starter project. So right now it is the package. Here you can see. Now I'm going to activate it. How should I basically activate that very platform? First of all, I'm going to click on activate. Then basically they give me an address. Now I have to basically copy that one address, and I have to send $100 on this address. Now they are going to give me 700,000. It is basically 7,12,199 ABST token in $100. So right now what should I can do? First of all, I have to copy this address, and then I will send Ethereum on this address directly, and then I have to enter my transaction ID, and also I have to enter the screenshot of the transaction, and then I will basically okay it. And after this one, they are going to give me 700 basically 7,12,999 ABST token in $100. And with the help of that one, every day as you are basically watching this thing, that every day I'll be able to make 1.1% daily profit on that one amount. 7,12,999 ABST every day I will get 1.1%. So that is such a great thing for me. So basically at this time they have different packages. You can see each and every package. They also have the package of $1,000, $3,000, $4,000, and even they have the package of $5,000. So but my recommendation is this, that you must have to start with the smaller one, basically with the $100 package. And in my next video I will definitely clarify each and everything, how to buy this one, the starter package, and how you can get income from it. If you like my video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.